My citrus tree is not doing very well. As you can see here, it's getting a bit yellow. Don't panic and don't throw it away. There's a very good chance your plant is trying to tell you something. Yellow leaves can happen for a few different reasons, but one of the biggest culprits is actually what's happening under the surface in the compost. I had this problem with my own citrus plant here, and instead of giving up on it, I decided to change the compost. The old compost wasn't giving the roots the conditions they needed, so I switched it to a fresh, free-draining citrus compost, which is slightly acidic, to help improve drainage and root health. And here's the most important part. Citrus plants really don't like sitting in constantly wet compost. If the roots stay too wet, they can become stressed and they can show up as yellowing leaves. Here's where people often get it wrong. Yellow leaves don't always mean your plant needs more water. Sometimes it's the complete opposite. So before you reach for the watering can, check the compost. Is it still wet? Is the pot draining properly? Are the roots sitting in water? If the answer is yes, you may actually be making the problem worse by watering again. On the other hand, yellow leaves can also be caused by underwatering, nutrient deficiencies, or a simple plant stress, which is a changing in environments. So consider those. The trick is to look at the whole plant, not just the yellow leaves. For my citrus, I changed the compost to give the roots a better environment. Make sure the pot could drain properly and then give the plant time to recover. And that's something I think a lot of us forget. Plants don't always bounce back overnight. So if you're dealing with yellow leaves, don't immediately assume your citrus is dying. Check the roots, check the compost, check the watering routine, and then give it some time. Because sometimes the answer isn't more water, it's actually giving your plant roots a chance to breathe. And if you want to see whether my citrus plant actually recovers after changing the compost, follow along. I'll show you what happens next time.